Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, mnalo zikwite delicious. Guys, I don't deny it. I don't deny it, guys. Ndapinda mnya yangu guys. Ndauti kunaweza sasa subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, click your notification bell. Kitapa loya nezvo ndonakidza guys. Andisuda kunakidzwa ndoga. Ndauti nakidzwe tose. Saka subscribe, guys, like and comment. Ndatowe nchifamba mastreet ndobva ndasangana na Queen Delicious vachipopota. Hanzi ndakadya main dicks kuti ndiite manchoni yandinayo. Ndakadya madhika akawandisa kuti ndiite manchoni. Saka ndisingapedzi nguva yenyu guys ka. Ndika video kanoda kuratidza muzvionere mega muchinyatsonzwa. Queen Tatu vachipenga kuita kunonzi kupenga kuita twanopenga vachi saka chanangoyana guys tinakidzwe tese chiti saka. Thank you guys, enjoy.
Sorry. Wallens Sean Mjura, how are you? Thank you for joining, my dear. Hey! You think I'm afraid of you? You think I'm afraid because your husband is a police person? Your husband is a police at his company, not a police officer in this house. Pano ndinotonga in this house, it's me who is in charge. Dindinorira. Your husband is a police at the police station, not here. I don't want to hey, what police? Your husband is your police at your police station. Here it's not a police station. This is my mansion. I'm waiting if police comes. Ndati mapurisa achisvika ndikubvisa hembe ndati nhasi munoonera ndambongouya chete mapurisa apasvikwe panapa zvekumhanya panapa mboko idzi handikutyei. I'm not afraid of any white people. Zvana feristas zvekunyora pamafacebook nandinyore pamafacebook ini ndinoendega nhasi muri kundifila muarea munomu. You can feel my presence. Nhasi munorara muine stress mboko. Wandiitei mwana wa Virginia. Sasa ndakaihurira sei ndakadya mborongani kuti imba iumire. Do you know how many dicks I sucked for this house to stand? Do you know how many dicks I sucked? How many cocks came through this mouth? Ndakamedza masperms mangana. How many swallowed sperms I swallow? How they money? How they shure changu munochiziva man? How they shure changu man? Mbogo zevanhu. Racist. They can feel it. Racist. If Sweden is yours, put Sweden in your pocket so that is immigrants cannot come. If Sweden is your country, put it in your pocket and put the borders in your pocket. Put the immigration officers in your pocket. Then we don't come, black people. As long as I'm alive, I'll make sure that this country is filled by Zimbabweans. I think I need more Zimbabweans in Sweden.
Like a Hellcat.